When Boeing and Airbus control the skies, they never saw comet coming. Enter the c929, China's answer to the duopoly. With this new jetliner, the future of aviation is about to take a sharp turn, and the competition better buckle up. The development of the c929 is part of China's broader plan to become a global leader in the aerospace industry. COMAC with strong backing from the Chinese government. The c929 is part of the wider C-series of aircraft being developed by COMAC, which also includes the c919, a single-aisle aircraft. Key details about the c929 include capacity. It is expected to carry between 250 and 300 passengers, depending on the configuration, making it suitable for medium to long-haul routes. Range. The aircraft is projected to have a range of approximately 12,000 kilometers, about 7,500 miles, enabling it to serve intercontinental routes. Design features. The c929 will incorporate advanced materials and aerodynamic designs to improve fuel efficiency and reduce operational costs. It will likely feature a composite airframe and advanced wing designs, similar to those seen in modern airliners. Engine options. While specific engine manufacturers have not been confirmed, there is speculation about the use of engines from either Russian or Western companies, which could include options from the likes of Pratt and Whitney or Rolls-Royce. Market positioning. The c929 aims to capture a share of the growing demand for wide-body aircraft in markets like Asia and beyond, targeting airlines looking for alternatives to established models from Boeing and Airbus. Development timeline. Recent reports indicate that the project is on track, with expectations for the first flight around 2025. The aircraft aims to meet international certification standards, and preparations for production and testing are also in progress. While there have been no operational aircraft yet, the project is seen as a key element in China's strategy to enhance its position in the global aviation market.